Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. In this video, this is day 2 of the Camaro SS build, and what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to put the motor mounts in. I ordered them, they came in, and just kind of get the engine ready to go in the car. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to put it in the car today, but that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get everything together and put it on. I have to change the oil pan on it too, take the truck oil pan off and put the Camaro oil pan back on. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm not sure how far I'm going to get, but just like I said, this is not going to be a long build series, and this is going to be day 2 of it. So I could only see that maybe 5 days, and we're going to have this thing in the car and ready to go. All right. So let's get to the video. All right, putting the motor mounts in. I already took the bolts off the bottom. This is the bad motor mount. So, putting a new one in. Should fit in that little slot. Taking this one off. This one's not as bad as the other one, but still bad. This is the engine that came out of the Camaro. And basically what happened, it broke a rod right here. Everything else was good. Just broke that one rod. So I'm just gonna pull the oil pan off of it now to go on the other engine. All right, just flip the engine over. So I just gotta go get my tools to pull the oil pan off of it. Got in the Polaris to ride it down to get the oil pan. Oil pan had a bunch of metal in it, so I just cleaned it out. And I put the pickup tube on it. We're getting ready to put the oil pan on. Alright, I am in a GTO today. I drove it up here to work on the Camaro. But I'm getting ready to leave now, and I'll wrap up this video when I get home. Okay, just got finished coming from up there working on the Camaro SS, and just want to wrap up this video. We got everything ready to get ready to put it into the car. I got the motor mounts on, got the oil pan change, put the water pump on, and the only thing that held us up is we couldn't find the transmission bolts. So because we couldn't find the transmission bolts, we actually couldn't get the transmission mated to the engine and then set in the car. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna get some transmission bolts. We're gonna bolt the transmission onto the engine, and we're gonna lower it in the car. So the next video, that's what I'll be doing. I'll be bolting the transmission to the engine, and we'll be actually setting the engine down in the car. So thanks for watching. Click the like button, click that notification bell if you haven't yet, and look forward to some more of my videos. Thanks for watching.